everyone. I hope you're all doing well on this fine Sunday afternoon. Okay, so today I am doing an unboxing of
Omaha steak.
Omaha's a variety package from Omaha Steak, which my daughter bought for me. She know I almost always wanted to try this, and I'm so excited to see what they have inside. So this is the package it came in. It's so strong, and I tried to lift it up from outside. I had to hold the whole. Look at the plastic; it's so tough. See, and feels so thick.
Very strong.
This is what it has inside of it. This is the list of what it have in it. Yes, you can see it.
I can see it.
It's 8 jumbo gourmet sausage, 8 kielbasa sausage, 4 butcher's cut filet mignon, 4 chicken breasts, 4 filet mignon burgers, 4 potato gratin, 4 caramel apple tart. They look just like Chudley's apple blossoms we used to get up in Canada. I hope same. I will enjoy this with my cup of Tim Hortons coffee from Canada, and I will let you guys know how it is. And they also on the package it says they also included 3.1 ounce of Omaha seasoning. So let's open this package and see how everything looks, right?
Yep.
So now you can see. I'm so excited to see what it got in there, what it looks like, how it's packaged, and everything. This is the top?
Yeah, that's the lid.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, it's a nice styrofoam thing.
Yeah.
Wow. So this thing is cool, it's frozen.
Still frozen?
Yeah, these are the...
It's packed in dry ice, it says.
Yep. This is one package.
Transported in a refrigerated truck. Man, is that cooler to put your roti in?
Oh, it's 4 packages of this, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, what else is in there?
What is this one?
That's a steak. Oh, it says on the side what they are. That's the potato and the caramel apple.
This one?
Yeah. What else is in here? It's nice boxes they have them in.
You can see the oil coming off the packages.
You can feel it too, yeah. Ooh. It's like it's like a little booklet about their products. Probably about their product.
Oh, this is the seasoning.
It's frozen.
Yeah.
It's all the dry ice.
It's strong and wide. See?
Mm-hmm.
It's good like for when we make roti, like a lot of roti. Put it in here. Flatbread, more. Yeah, when you cook, if you're cooking a lot of roti or flatbread, like naan and bara, anything, you put you line it inside with the roti cloth, and you put the wax paper.
Dish towels.
Dish
and
towels,
paper.
yes, way to keep
Nice and moist, not
Yeah.
dry out. Okay.
Well, that's it, guys. So we will try this, and I'll let you guys know how I like it. Thank you to I'm so excited to try these. Thank you to my daughter Angie.
Your favorite.
For ordering Omaha steaks for me to try. And thank you all for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe and support me on Nan's Global Kitchen. Thank you all so much. I love and appreciate every one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. And by the way, guys, this is not a sponsored video. My daughter chose to buy this because I always wanted to try it, so she chose to buy it for me to try the Omaha steaks. So I'll let you guys know how it is, if we like it or we don't.